Welcome back to our Facebook and Instagram ads beginners course. And in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page and connect it to WhatsApp business account. Yeah, and to also point out, this particular video is part of a complete course on Facebook and Instagram ads for beginners. And I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to access other videos available under this particular course. So yeah, to get started, for you to connect a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page, you need to do that via the Facebook app. I already have the Facebook app installed on my device and I have it opened up right here. So I'll just click on menu, then I'll click on pages, then I find the exact page that I want to add the WhatsApp button to. I just click on this particular page, Bossa Academy, then I click on switch, then I click on menu again, then I click on Bossa Academy, then I click on the three dotted lines, then I click on edit action button. As you can see here, Facebook Messenger is already connected to this Facebook page, so I want to remove that and add a WhatsApp button instead. So first I click on remove, then it removes the Facebook Messenger button, then I click on edit buttons, then I click on send WhatsApp message, then it shows me the opportunity to connect WhatsApp account. So I click on connect WhatsApp account. Then to connect WhatsApp account, I need to put the WhatsApp number that I want to connect. So first of all, I'll just change the country code. So I've selected our country code, then I'll just put the phone number, the WhatsApp business phone number that I want to connect to this particular Facebook page. So I've added the phone number that I want to connect to this particular Facebook page. Then I just click on send code. Facebook is going to send me a 5-digit code that I need to confirm that this particular number belongs to me. So I'll just put that particular digit. So I'm done adding the code, then I just click on verify code. So as you can see here, I've successfully verified this particular phone number. So I'll just click on not now because they are prompting me to create a WhatsApp ad. Then I also click on not now again, then I'll click on done. So as you can see, this particular number has been connected. This particular WhatsApp business number has been connected to this Facebook page, but it has not yet been added as a WhatsApp button, as a button to the page. So to do that, I'll just check this particular thing. They said add WhatsApp button to the page. So once I check it, then I go back. So once I go back, I just click on save. So once I save, then it shows me that I've successfully saved this particular button. So now I've added the WhatsApp button to this particular Facebook page. So let's say, for example, I want to create a post, make a post, and I want to add this particular WhatsApp button to my post so that people who see that particular post can be able to message me directly from that particular post. So how I do that is I just click on what is on your mind to be able to make a post. Then I'll scroll up, then I'll click on get WhatsApp messages. Then I can see that the button has already been added here. Then I just click on change image. Then I'll select a particular image that I want to use. Then I'll write something. Let's say I just put hi guys. Then I click on next. Then I click on post. So as you can see, it's making that particular post. So once it makes that particular post and you don't get to see the post immediately, you just come and refresh to be able to see the post. So yeah, as you can see here, this particular post has a WhatsApp button, and if I click on that particular number, it prompts me to open WhatsApp business. So this is how to connect a WhatsApp business account to your Facebook page and add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page so that you can be able to make posts and add WhatsApp buttons to all of your posts. So I believe this particular video was helpful to you, and if it was helpful to you, I would like you to subscribe to our channel because we do upload a new video every single week on this channel. And also, as we normally do on our channel, every single month we recognize the subscriber of the month, a subscriber who has watched the most of our video. So we recognize that person by giving him or her a Meta ad credit that he or she can use to promote his or her business, and also the opportunity to also tell us the particular video he or she wants us to do for the coming week. Like this particular video was requested by a subscriber. Yeah. And also, if this particular video was not able to cover some areas or some things that you might be having issues or questions about advertising, marketing in general, I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me so that we can sit one-on-one and discuss and then find the solution to your issues. Yeah. So until our next video, peace out.